Hello Smokin' Brothers family, this is Ryan with Smokin' Brothers. I'm here to show you how to upgrade your grill to a QView controller powered by Smokin' Brothers. It's real simple with the Premier models or the Premier Plus models. You're going to just need 2 screwdrivers to make this change out. So we're going to get started. This has the Savannah Stoker on it, and we're going to turn around. You're going to receive this in a box just like this. You won't have the grid hooks on there. You'll have to transfer those over, but you'll have a front panel ready for the controller already mounted. So all you're going to have to do is take these 4 screws out on the corners. And you can do this with pellets in the hopper. It's not going to dump all your pellets out of your hopper. It's not that big of a deal. What I suggest is put a little weight against the front panel just to hold it in place. That way when it drops, it doesn't just fall on the ground. And on the screwdriver you choose to use, it needs to be a number 3 Phillips head to do these pan head screws on the outside. Otherwise you could possibly strip the screw out. All right, got a little weight up against there for that. So now, if you had a 5-gallon bucket, you could set it right here and lay the front panel down. I just used my knee. So now you've got this done. You'll end up taking off the RTD sensor that's on terminals 1 and 2 from this controller. Pops it off just like that. Then you'll undo the plastic pull parts. And they're all color coded. So now that comes off. Grab the new QV controller with the front plate. Again, here's your power harness, and then your RTD sensor has these little clips right here. It goes inside there, just like that, and you press these black toggle switches down. There, it's installed right like that. So now you go ahead and take your power cord and start plugging it up color to color. Now if you wanted to, you could put a knot into this if you want to, depending on which size. We leave it unknotted in case the grill that you have needs the extra length, but that'll help you tie the wires up. So orange to orange, which is fan. The fan motor goes to the orange and white wire. This is your igniter. That goes to the purple and white wire or the purple plug, take your pick. The auger motor goes to the red one, the red and white. And the black and white goes to the power cord, the black and white. And plug that up. Now you pull this up, set it against the front, put 1 screw in. Grab your other screws. And take your number 3 screwdriver, Phillips screwdriver, and tighten up the bolts. You have now upgraded your Premier Grill or Premier Plus to the brand new QView controller powered by Smokin' Brothers. If you ever got any questions, please do not hesitate to give our office a call. But as always, from our family to your family, have a great barbecue day.